Welcome students. Now we shall solve some more problems on integration. That is integration by substitution method. In each of the problem, the proper substitution is necessary. We have to seek a function whose derivative is also present in the given problem. Now look at this problem. If you look into this problem, we see that if you have the sine inverse x, what is the derivative of this sine inverse x? We must know the derivative of all functions. Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square, right? So here dx divided by root of 1 minus x square is there. Therefore we give sine inverse x equals t and we differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by root 1 minus x square into dx equals t derivative is dt. So here we see that look at this dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. So this entire thing will changes to dt and this sine inverse x is there, right? It changes to t. So the integral of e power t dt. So what is the integral of e power t dt? We know that integral of e power x is e power x. So integral of e power t is e power t plus c. The value of t is sine inverse x. So answer is e power sine plus equals is there. E power sine inverse x plus c is the right answer. Now look at here. You take this problem as a homework. Okay. Very similar to the last one and still easier one. So look at this. You have to give sine inverse x equals t and differentiate with respect to x. So you will get this. So the entire thing reduces to integral of t dt. What is the integral of t power 1? We know that it is t power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus c. Proceed, you will get this as an answer. Okay. Come to this problem. To the power of 5 then. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 by 1 plus x square because we know that what is the derivative of tan inverse x whole power 5 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇದನ್ನ u ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ u to the power of 5 derivative is 5 into u to the power of 4 into derivative of u means 1 by 1 plus x square. So we should not take this as t. So you take only tan inverse x equals t, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx equals derivative of t is dt. So 1 by 1 plus x square dx will be dt. Look at this dx and 1 by 1 plus x square. The entire thing will reduce to dt and this tan inverse x is a t to the power of 5. It become t to the power of 5. So what is the integral of t power 5? T power 6 by 6 plus c. It is 1 by 6 into t. Substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is t to the power of 6 plus c. Come to this problem again. Now look, if you look into this problem, it seems to be a difficult problem, but it's an easiest problem. We see here, look at this function here. It is x cube divided by 1 plus x power 8 is there. So if you look into this innermost bracket, we see that this is tan inverse of x power 4 is there, right? If don't include sine, so we take tan inverse of x power 4 as t. If you consider this as u here, if you consider this x to the power of 4 as u, it becomes tan inverse u equals t. If you differentiate with respect to x, it is 1 divided by 1 plus u square into derivative of u equals the derivative of t is dt. So what is u? It is x power 4. It is 1 divided by 1 plus x power 4 whole square into derivative of u. U is nothing but x power 4. What is x power 4 whole square? It is x power 8. So we see that 1 divided by 1 plus x power 8 into x power 4 derivative is 4x cube. So we see that 4x cube divided by 1 plus x power 8 dx is dt. But we look at this problem here. We see here it is x cube is here, 1 plus x power 8 is here, dx is here. So x cube divided by 1 plus x power 8 dx, this 4 is there, this comes to this denominator here. What happens to this one? X cube divided by 1 plus x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx. So this is dx equals dt by 4. So this is x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx is dt by 4. The entire tan inverse of x power 4 is considered as t. So integral of sin t into dt by 4. 1 by 4 is taken out. This is integral of sin t dt. 1 by 4 into sin t integral is minus cos t plus c. So minus 1 by 4 into cos t. T value andre tan inverse of x power 4 plus c. Now come to the next problem here. Integral of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. We see here the derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So 2x is present here. 2x ಗೆ t ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ t ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So we see that 1 plus x square equals t. If you differentiate with respect to x, one derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x dx equals t dt. So numeratorly 2x dx is there, right? So this is 2x dx will becomes dt, 1 plus x square becomes t. Integral of dt by t is log of mod t. T value no? Log of 1 plus x square plus c. So one more easy method is there to solve this problem. You have one property here. Integral of f dash of x divided by f of x. This is always equal to log of mod f of x plus c. Andre, if the derivative of the denominator is present in the numerator, denominator na derivative numerator idre, then integral will be log of denominator. Nodi, if derivative of denominator is present in numerator, then the integral value is log of denominator. Okay, log of denominator. Easy method. See it in easy denominator derivative numerator ಇರಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ log of denominator. Okay, so ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the derivative of 1 plus x square denominator? Here 1 plus x square is denominator, that is 2x. Denominator derivative is present in the numerator. Answer is log of denominator. Denominator 1 plus x square plus c. So remember it. Okay, but remember here. Now look at here. You can easily solve here. Look at here. You take 1 plus x cube equals t and differentiate. Numerator becomes dt. And also we see that what is the derivative of 1 plus x cube? One derivative is 0, x cube 3x square. So the derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. Alva? So what is the derivative of denominator? That is d by dx of 1 plus x cube. That is nothing but 3x square. So clearly 3x square is in numerator. Therefore, so the integral value is, answer is log of denominator. What is denominator? 1 plus x cube plus c. That is the answer. Okay. Now come to this problem. Here we take 9 minus 4x square equals t, because the derivative of 9 0 minus 4x square is nothing but minus 4 into 2x. So the some scalar multiple is present here. Okay, so it is minus 4 into 2x dx dt minus 8 dx dt. So we want x dx alva. Already name ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಈ x dx ಬೇಕು. So in this x dx will be minus dt by 8. So this happens to be, it is 1 by t x dx ಬದಲು minus dt by 8. This 9 minus 4x square ಗೆ t. So 1 by t into minus dt by 8. Minus 1 by 8 is taken out. Integral of dt by t minus 1 by 8 into log t. What is the value of t? Minus 1 by 8 into modulus log of mod 9 minus 4x square plus c. Easy way. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು easy way ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So what is the derivative of 9 minus 4x square? We see that ನೋಡಿ, derivative of 9 minus 4x square is, we know that it is minus 8x ಅಲ್ವಾ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 8 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. We take integral of, we write this as minus 8x divided by 9 minus 4x square dx. Minus 8 cancel again, minus 1 by 8 I write here. Derivative of denominator is present in the numerator, right? So in such a case, it is minus 1 by 8 into log of modulus of 9 minus 4x square plus c. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇದ್ರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಆ ತರ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಬರೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ CET ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, come to the next problem here. Now the derivative of 1 plus cos x is dx is, now look at it, integral of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. If you look into this problem here, we know that the derivative of sin x cos x ಇದೆ. So sin x ಗೆ t ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dx is present in numerator here. So dx is in numerator. So we see here 1 plus cos x equals t ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So if you differentiate with respect to x, one derivative is 0. Again minus sin x dx is dt. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. So our sin x dx is minus dt. So numerator nalli sin x dx ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. This entire sin x dx will be minus dt divided by 1 plus cos x ಗೆ t. Minus is taken out. dt by t, we know that the integral of dx by x ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ log of mod x plus c. So it is log of mod t plus c. T value substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, what is the derivative of 1 plus cos x? It is 1 ಗೆ 0, cos x it is minus sin x. So you take this as, write this as minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. To cancel this minus, I write one more minus because minus into minus will become plus. So you take this minus as it is. The derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. 1 plus cos x derivative is minus sin x. So answer is minus log of modulus of 1 plus cos x plus c. So that is the answer. Okay. So very similar to the last problem. You take 2 minus 3 sin x equals t and you differentiate with respect to x. Cos x dx ಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡಿ, you will get the answer. Short form ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, we see here, if you write this in the short form here, what is the derivative of 2 minus 3 cos x sin x? Derivative of 2 minus 3 sin x will be, it is 2 derivative is 0 and this is minus 3 into cos x. But I have only cos x here, right? How to get minus 3? You write here it is minus 3 cos x divided by 2 minus 3 sin x. To cancel this minus 3, I have to write minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel, minus into minus plus. Now clearly the derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. You will get the answer. Okay. 21st problem. It is also an easiest problem. We see here, what is the derivative of tan x secant square x? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ tan x equals t. ಇದು ಜೊತೆಗಿರೋ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಾವು. ಟೇಕ್ 3 plus 2 tan x equals t, differentiate with respect to x, 3 derivative is 0, 2 constant ಹಾಗೆ tan x derivative is secant square x dx dt, but I want only secant square x dx ಅಲ್ವಾ. So the secant square x dx will be dt by 2. So this is dt by 2 divided by 3 plus 2 tan x is t. So dt by 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 is taken out. Integral of dt by t half ಹಾಗೆ dt by t ಗೆ log of mod t, half into log of mod t. One more easy method here. What is the derivative of 3 plus 2 tan x? It is 2 secant square x. So I want you write 2 secant square x here. To cancel this 2, I write 1 by 2 here. Write this as 3 plus 2 tan x. One line answer here. So the derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. The answer will be half into log of denominator. Denominator is 3 plus 2 tan x. Look at it. Integral of x square divided by 2 plus 3x square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ derivative of denominator. Denominator ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಸೇರಿ. So derivative of denominator is not in the numerator, because if you consider this as u cube ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3u square into derivative of u ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ derivative of denominator is not numerator. So 3 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 2 plus 3x cube equals t ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ derivative of denominator numerator ಇಲ್ಲ, substitution method ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. If you take 2 plus 3x cube equals t, if you differentiate with respect to x, 2 derivative is 0, keep this 3 as it is, x cube derivative is 3x square dx equals dt. I want only x square dx, ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಬರೀ x square dx. So this 6, 3 into 3 that is 9 ಇದೆ 6 ಅಲ್ಲ. So 3 into 3 that is 9 x square dx dt. So x square dx will be dt divided by 9. Okay. So this is dt divided by 9 divided by t cube. This 1 by 9 is taken out. 9 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. t to the power of minus 3. So it is 1 by 9 into t to the power of minus 3. Integral is t to the power of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. What is minus 3 plus 1? We know that minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So it is t power minus 2 by minus 2. 1 by 6, 9 alva. 9 into minus 2 will be minus 1 by 18. So it is minus 1 by 18 into t power minus 2 na 1 by t square anta ಬರಿತೀವಿ. 1 by t andre 2 plus 3x cube whole square plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. So we have to ಇಲ್ಲಿ derivative of denominator adjust ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. 2 plus 3x cube ಗೆ 9x 9x square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9x square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 plus 3x cube ಗೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರೀ 2 plus 3x cube ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು. If you have a problem just like this, x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube is there, then you can easily solve this problem, because the derivative of this is nothing but 9x square. You would multiply by 9 and do here. You will get the answer. But if you have whole cube is there, then you have to substitute here. Now come to this problem here. Look at this problem here. We can see here, look, the problem solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you take this denominator. Always ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ t ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ dx is present in the numerator. So always take denominator equals t. 6 as it is, cos x derivative minus sin x plus 4 into sin x derivative is cos x dx equals dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can take 2 as a common factor. 2 into minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x. First ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, next ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, 2 comes to denominator dt by 2. Now look at this, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is there, right? So ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ dt by 2. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ t. So dt by 2 by t, 1 by 2 is taken, dt by t half ಹಾಗೆ dt by t integral is log of mod t. t ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So remember here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ one more method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ if I take 2 as a common factor here, take 2 as a common factor, we are left with 4 sin x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 4 sin x ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 2 sin x ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ 6 cos x ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 3 cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So look at this numerator here. Numerator is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx. If this 2 is taken out, that means 1 by 2 into integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x dx. Now look at this denominator. This is the denominator, okay? Denominator derivative numerator ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ 2 sin x 2 cos x plus 3 cos x cos x ಗೆ minus sin x, so it is minus 3 sin x. So answer will be half into log of denominator. ಅದಷ್ಟು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಓಕೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ sin x into sin of cos x dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು cos x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈ cos x ನ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ sin x ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ cos x equals t, differentiate with respect to x. cos x derivative is minus sin x dx dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin x ಇದೆ dx ಇದೆ. ಸೊ sin x dx ಬದಲು minus dt multiply by minus. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಇದಕ್ಕೆ cos t ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ t ಬರುತ್ತೆ, sin x dx ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus dt. So it is integral of sin t into minus dt. Minus is taken out, integral of sin t. What is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x. So it is minus of minus cos t, ಇದು dt ಇಲ್ಲ, minus of minus cos t plus c, minus into minus plus cos of t ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos x plus c. So this is the right answer. Now come to this problem. Integral of sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. We know that the derivative of sin is cos. So we take sin of ax plus b as t. Differentiate. Consider this as u. Okay, composite function. This cos of u into derivative of u. Cos of ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b dx equals dt. Cos of ax plus b, derivative of ax plus b is, what is the derivative of ax plus b? For a is the constant as it is a into 1 plus b is a constant 0, that is a itself. So we see that a into cos of ax plus b dx equals dt. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ I want only cos of ax plus b dx ಅಲ್ವಾ, so this a is comes to this denominator. Cos of ax plus b dx is dt by a. ನೋಡಿ ಅವಾಗ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು, the entire thing is just dt by a. Okay, this is sin t. So the integration will be, look at here, it is t into dt by a. 1 by a is a constant. Integral of t is t to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, t square by 2. 2 is here, 1 by 2a into sin of t square, the t and then it will be sin of ax plus b whole square plus c. Yeah. So in each of the problem, proper substitution is always necessary. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You have to practice these problems minimum 2 to 3 times, then only you can remember the results. Okay, thank you.